Now, a massive explosion was heard near a PVR multiplex in Delhi's Prashant Vihar this morning. Soon after receiving information about the incident, police rushed to the spot and started a rescue operation. Police further added that it was verifying a call that was received regarding the explosion at the spot. A police team is also investigating the cause of the blast. NSG commandos are also there. My colleague Tanushka is also joining me from Prashant Vihar, where the probe is currently underway. Tanushka, what more details can you share with us?
Well, certainly we can clearly see that whole police, investigation agencies have reached the site. We are currently showing you the visuals from the very spot where the explosion was heard. This is the very spot wherein 5 weeks ago, similar explosion incident had happened when a blast ripped through the CRPF police wall. Right now, also we are showing you the visuals. An explosion was heard near the PVR multiplex in northwest Delhi's Prashant Vihar area around 11:48 a.m. today. Now, police and fire tenders had reached the spot, and a team from the Delhi Special Police Cell has reached here. This comes after a month, after a blast near CRPF school in Prashant Vihar. The school's wall was damaged in the explosion, but no casualties were reported. Now, today's explosion occurred near a park's boundary wall, and investigators noticed a similar white powder-like substance at the spot. A similar powdery substance was found at the site of the school blast. Now the police have cordoned off this whole area. We are showing you the visuals from the very location where this explosion was heard. Clearly we can see that the bomb detection squad, the Delhi Police Special Cell, all of them are right now at this very spot. Their investigations are going on. When asked about the questions from the police officers as to if both of the cases, if there can be a comparison that can be drawn in both the cases, they have clearly stated that it's too early, and the explosion this time that happened was of quite a low intensity. That is why, but we're currently also seeing that the whole detection is going on. The whole investigation is taking place right now. Dog squad, bomb detection squad, Delhi Police Special Cells, all the investigative agencies are here right now doing their job. But what we are seeing is that a big question on the law enforcement, because this is the same area in Prashant Vihar where just 500 meters from this area was the CRPF police school, where CRPF school wall where the explosion had ripped off nearly 5 weeks ago. And right now also what we are seeing here is that in this particular area where the explosion took place today, the investigative agencies are doing a thorough investigation wherein a similar white powdery substance was found. Back to studio.
Absolutely, Anushka. And Delhi Chief Minister, we heard her also complaining about such incidents on the rise in the national capital. She is blaming the centre, as the Delhi police comes under central's rule. So she's saying that the Delhi police should be held accountable. Union Home Minister should be held accountable over such cases.
Well, certainly this is the second time when an incident like this has happened in the heart of Delhi. What we are seeing is that in Prashant Vihar, near the Rohini area, near a PVR complex, if I can say, this incident took place. Now we can clearly see that the dog squad has, is being involved here. The bombs detection squad has been involved in this case. The NSG has also come in just 15 minutes from now, and we are seeing that the investigations are still going on. Now this raises quite a question that in the similar area where this happened, not nearly 5 weeks ago, again this incident has taken place, and that is why the residents who are living here are in quite a panicky situation. They are questioning as to what the police was doing, and an incident like this has happened once again in Delhi. We are talking about this in a national capital. When the visuals that were accessed during the time of explosion, we could clearly see that plumes of smoke were billowing from the explosion spot. But what the police officials have been saying is that the intensity of the blast that happened today was quite low, and there cannot be a comparison between both the incidents, because right now what we can see is that the investigations are still going on. A white powdery like substance has been found from the spot, but still the investigations are underway.